Hi guys, today I am going to teach you how to make the famous Indian dish called butter chicken, also called murg makhni. Now the best part is that this is the dish which has taken India across boundaries to all the global countries. All the countries, Indians would like to have the butter chicken. And this is very easy to make. Okay, let me show you how. What do you need? Okay. By the way, this video is being made by my son who loves butter chicken. Okay. So what do you need? Very simple. You need this thing which is called Javitri. You need some elaichi. You need degi mirch. You need cream and you need butter and about 6 to 8 tomatoes. And to add the flavor, you need kasturi methi. They are the only thing which goes inside a gravy. Now with this gravy you can make either butter chicken or you can make paneer. The first thing is to cut or chop the tomatoes and put it in the mixer. Now we have chopped the tomatoes and I am putting some water in this. The water is primarily to make it thinner. Now we will switch on the grinder. Now your puree is going to look like. Okay. Now we move to the next step, and our next step is to first put some butter. Normally take about 100 grams of butter. So while the butter is getting ready, we take about 4 cloves of elaichi and we have Javitri here, and put the entire thing here just like nothing else. Just put it here. You may cover it. Keep it for about a minute and then all you need to do is pour the puree in the pan. You cover it, and just that, so that we shouldn't waste the puree, very Indian style, we just mix it like this and we pour it back. Now we take this degi mirch. Degi mirch primarily is used to give color and not to add spice to your food. So we take about a teaspoon and first we spray it like this. So you can take another half spoon and then just add. Now I was talking to you about the secret ingredient, that is nothing but sugar. Put about a teaspoon of sugar in this, and this will add thickness to your gravy. Now you see that the gravy is becoming thick. Now this is the time where you put the cream into this. You can pour it and wait and watch the change in the color. What we should also do is put about a teaspoon of kasturi methi or kasuri methi as we call it, just to add flavor. And this is what gives flavor to your butter chicken. And then cover it. Okay guys, so your butter chicken is ready. Now I won't call it a butter chicken, this is a gravy. Now you can use this gravy to make butter chicken. You can make this gravy to make paneer makhni. Guys, the next step, I am making butter chicken. So the next step is to take chicken pieces and first pour some lemon on top of it. So there is 2 levels of marination which you do in making butter chicken, and especially with the chicken. Now to this, we add about half a spoon of salt, and I want to make it a bit spicy because butter chicken is sweet and spicy both, so I will make the chicken spicy. And I put about 1 teaspoon of red chilies in this. Now if you remember, I had not put any salt in the gravy because I had used Amul butter which already has salt in it. Now I am just marinating the chicken in with salt and red chili and lemon, and I'll leave it for a while. Okay, so what we are preparing now is to make the second round of marination for the chicken. So we take about a large spoon of gram flour, and then we put some hung curd in this. So I've taken 3 large spoon of hung curd, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some degi mirch to it just to give it a color. So I've taken 1 teaspoon of degi mirch paste. I'm going to add some mustard oil. Now this mustard oil gives a great taste when you actually put that chicken in the tandoor. Now to this chicken which you have, where you've already marinated it with lemon, salt and red chilies. Now you add this paste to the marination. Now ensure that the chicken is completely marinated with this paste. 10 minutes to settle down. So now it's the time to bake the chicken after 10 minutes. So what we do is that we first put the oil so that the chicken and the gravy doesn't stick while it is getting tandoored. So after this, what we do is we pour the chicken in this, put some distance. Now it's the time to put this in the oven, or oven as we call it, and I put a temperature of 180 degrees, and I'm going to put this here for about 10 minutes. Now the gravy is ready, and so is the tandoor chicken. Now we are going to put this in the gravy. Okay, so now we add the chicken in the gravy. And your butter chicken is ready. So guys, thank you so much for watching this, and hope you make the fantastic butter chicken or paneer makhani at home.